Okay, so when would you use like a polishing jack versus like a die grinder or DA?
Well, we also polish the part before we DA them. Okay, to get it down to where the DA can smooth it out and make it look good. Most of the time, all aluminum gets DA'd.
Okay, so you're using the polishing to take down what, more material, less material, and then the DA is really the finesse side of it, or?
Right, you're taking
Okay.
off all the rough surfaces and things like that. They're making it nice and smooth so the DA can just put a smooth finish on it.
Okay.
Some things may get a little DA and then blasted.
Okay.
Get a blast finish on it.
Okay.
But yeah, zinc metal, there's only a few things we use a DA on.
Okay.
You know, it's larger products, hospital
grade stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But you do have possibilities with, you know, what we have on the screen here. The polishing jack can get you 36 to 500 grit.
Oh yeah.
So being able to get almost your mirror finish on some of the zinc parts, you have that possibility with on the polishing jack. And the DA, you're using you know, similar aspect where you can still get some of this high-end finishes.
You can get a shine on a DA.
Okay.
You can go all the way down to a pad that actually puts a shine on it.
Okay.